Hey folks, thank you so much for purchasing this course, 5 quick and easy weeknight curries. Now I promise you they are going to be quick and easy. I will walk you through how to cook them. I'll talk you through the ingredients, and each lecture is divided up into a quick intro and then ingredients and then the actual cooking itself, and you have an accompanying recipe in Word or PDF format that you can print out and follow if you want. If you've got any questions, if you've got anything on your mind at all, I'm just a message away in the discussions, or send me a private message, whatever you prefer to do. As far as the recipes here are concerned, one of them is vegetarian, 2 chicken, 2 fish. Now, quick and easy. So we're going with meat that cooks quickly. Seafood cooks quickly, of course, and so does chicken breast meat, and that's what we cook with. But of course, you know, if you're making it during the weekends, or if you have slightly more time, and if you prefer to experiment with chicken thigh meat for any of the recipes, that's completely up to you. And as far as the spice level itself is concerned, again, you know, it's completely up to you. If you prefer spicier food, then use spicier chilies. Now, one of the recipes, pepper chicken, that's a spicy curry. Now, you could, of course, make it milder by using slightly less of the chilies, the pepper, and so on and so forth. So, you know, there is a lot of movement here for you to play around with. So, with that in mind, let's get your aprons on and let's get into that kitchen.